Go. Oh, jeez. Go ahead, Isaac. You want to turn?
My turn.
Wait till Isaac moves out of the way. Oh.
That was silly, wasn't it?
You went right over him.
Yeah.
Oh.
My turn.
Hey, Isabel, move these toys out of the way right here.
Okay.
Good, Isabel.
Oh. Oh.
My turn.
Your turn.
Wait. Ah. Oh, I think it was an accident. Isabel, don't. Isabel, stop. Stop. Oh. Oh. Isaac just goes right over.
My turn.
You just have to be patient and wait till the baby gets out of the way.
Now get away.
It's okay. It's alright.
Don't go.
It's okay.
No.
No, no.